Finally, after years of waiting, and after 80,000 copies sold worldwide and hundreds of fast-acting millionaires made across the globe, you got a second chance to profit from Forex market loopholes that the first FAP Turbo Forex robot exploited recklessly without abandon, literally butchering the markets and filling its users' wallets with thousands of dollars. However, over the years, these holes have been fixed, and the market conditions have changed drastically. The 100% profits a month slowly dwindled to more conservative gains. FAP Turbo still makes nice profits up to this day, but the extreme percentages are gone. Nonetheless, those of you that acted quickly made a fortune. In fact, the original FAP Turbo made over 245 confirmed millionaires. That's right, 245 people came into the seven-figure earning range, and those are just the people we know about. The black number might be much higher. We're not counting the thousands of people that became six-figure earners, as that number is 10 times higher. And what do all these Forex millionaires and big players have in common? I'll give you the answer. Almost all of them jumped aboard FAP Turbo right when it came out, and the fast-acting people will reap all the rewards. FAP Turbo 2.0 is radically different to its predecessor. In fact, it has a multi-leg system that taps into weaknesses of different markets, and not only currencies this time, but also cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, profiting greatly from them. Bitcoin is a big emerging market that's under extreme swings of up to 50% of its value. Combine that with the power of leverage and the wisdom of 15 developers that have worked under us for years developing the ultimate Forex robot, and you have a formula for extreme profits. FAP Turbo 2.0 is a multi-profit robot now exploiting unknown weaknesses of different trade hours, emerging markets, and yet to become popular trade situations. Our original FAP Turbo robot's success gave us the resources needed to develop the ultimate trading robot, something unseen or unheard of. Like a multi-legged octopus tapping into different markets, FAP Turbo 2.0 is not dependent upon single currency pairs. Losses get absorbed easily by wins from all the other trading situations within the blink of an eye. For the first time ever in trading history, we developed a risk versus reward system that sees how the market behaves and bases its trading decision not only on what is happening in that current market, but taking into account the other markets as well, basing its trade decision on a multitude of different factors. Organic market sentiments. For a detailed description of the trade features, scroll below this video, but keep the video running because there's more. Also, thanks to extremely good relations with some of the top brokerages on the planet that all remember how well FAP Turbo did for its clients, wanted to partner up, and stumbled head over heels to give traders the absolute best conditions to prosper. That's right, FAP Turbo 2.0 traders start off not only with 25% more capital or instant profit, they also get a 1,000%, yes, 1,000, no typo, increase on their deposit twice to help them reach the seven-figure zone faster than anywhere else. The dual license system gives every trader 2 FAP Turbo 2.0 licenses to start off with, making this an insane package to reach financial freedom. To top it off, we've made it as easy as possible for even the most inexperienced client to start making money with Forex and cryptocurrencies. Everything will be set up for you, and you can start profiting from FAP Turbo 2 within minutes. 7 different markets are currently being scanned and scalped and profited from simultaneously, making this the highest earnings trade robot that has ever been developed. Your robot comes fully pre-installed on the supported broker's MT4. No need to waste time with copy and paste files and manual installations. Just start an MT4 platform and the robot is already inside, ready to work for you, hassle-free. Brokerage support has been trained exclusively for FAP Turbo 2.0, so in case you have a question that you won't likely have, but we'd like to be secured on all fronts, help will be just around the corner through email, direct chat, or telephone. There's so much more to it. To see past profits, features, and backtests, scroll down this website and absorb all the details and learn why FAP Turbo 2.0 is the absolute best moneymaker of this generation. And remember, the early bird catches the worm. Always has and always will. So those of you that start trading now are bound to make a fortune because history always repeats itself. The definition of insanity is to do the same thing over and over again, expecting different results. Break the vicious cycle and start making money now. Sincerely, Steve C. and Mike S., the original Fat Turbo creators.